What if I told you this robot vacuum packs a massive 30,000 PA suction power, scrubs the floors with actual downward pressure, cleans corners most robot miss, and even washes its own mops with 212 degrees Fahrenheit hot water? Today we're checking out the MOVA P70 Pro Ultra, and after looking at these specs, this might be one of the most advanced robot vacuum I've tested so far. Let's see what makes it stand out. And this is what it comes inside of the box. It comes with the manual, the warranty, and a quick guide. With a floor cleaner, the two mop pads, the power cord, with the robot vacuum, with the base station, and the two buckets, one for the dirty water and the other one for the clean water. And the dust bag is included, and the container to put the floor cleaner. And this is everything that comes inside of the box. Let's start with the headline feature. The MOVA P70 delivers an incredible 30,000 PA suction power, powered by a high-speed motor that can reach up to 120,000 RPM. That's designed to pull up dust, dirt, pet hair, and debris from hard floors, carpet, and even deep cracks around your home. If you have pets or constantly deal with dirt being trapped inside, this level of suction is one of the biggest selling points of the P70. Vacuuming is only half of the story. The P70 contains 12 Nm of downforce scrubbing pressure, with mop pads spinning around up to 260 RPM to help break down dried stains and sticky messes. The robot can also adjust its mopping speed depending on the cleaning zone. This isn't just dragging a wet cloth around your floor, it's actually scrubbing. One of the biggest weaknesses of many robot vacuums is cleaning edges and corners. The P70 uses MaxiReach technology, allowing the side brush and mop to extend upward to reach areas that many robots simply can't get to. It's designed to improve edge covering and help clean tight spaces along walls, carpet, and furniture. Nobody wants a robot vacuum constantly getting stuck. The MOVA P70 uses AI-powered obstacle avoidance that can recognize more than 280 different objects around your home. That means it can better navigate around shoes, cables, toys, pet balls, and everyday clutter without constantly needing rescue. The result is a smarter and more efficient cleaning experience. Now, here is a feature you don't see every day. The docking station washes the mop pads using water heated up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. This helps remove dirt, grime, and bacteria buildup from the mop pads while keeping them cleaner between cleaning sessions. It's one of those features that helps reduce maintenance and keeps the mopping system operating at its best. After cleaning, the dock doesn't stop there. The system automatically dries the mop pads using 158 degrees Fahrenheit hot air and can complete the drying process in about 1 hour. This helps reduce moisture buildup, odors, and keep the mop pads ready for the next cleaning cycle. Less maintenance and less chance of that wet mop smell nobody likes. After looking at everything the MOVA P70 Pro Ultra brings to the table, what stands out most is how complete the package feels. You get massive 30,000 PA suction, powerful scrubbing with 12 Nm pressures and 260 RPM mopping, better edge and corner cleaning, AI obstacle avoidance for over 280 objects, 212 degrees Fahrenheit hot water mop washing, fast 1 hour hot air drying. For busy households, pet owners, or anyone wanting a robot vacuum that handles both vacuum and mopping with minimal effort, the P70 packs some seriously impressive technology in one system. If you like to check it out, the MOVA P70 Pro Ultra yourself, I'll put the link in the description down below. And if you enjoyed the review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more reviews like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.